This review is of Sim's Premium Steakhouse Recipe Steak Strips Naturally Smoked Beef Jerky. As opposed to unnaturally smoked beef jerky, how do you differentiate between naturally smoked and unnaturally smoked? Is it not real smoke? I don't know. It's kind of weird. It is USDA inspected. No artificial ingredients, no added nitrates or nitrites, no preservatives, no added MSG. And that's pretty much it. There are the nutrition facts and the ingredients. Ooh, big pieces. Like that. That's a small one, actually. There are some pretty big ones in there. I don't know if you can see them or not. That's some gristle. I think this is the first jerky I found that actually has gristle in it. Kind of dry and tough. The flavor's okay, but not like nothing special. Not weak, not strong. Oh, they use flank steak. You might like the flavor. And if you don't mind gristle in your jerky, and that it's dry and kind of tough, you might find this to be enjoyable. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.